Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and today I am going to take a video of our first potato reveal. This is one of the potatoes that I started from chits of pieces of potatoes, small pieces of potato skin with a chit on it. And if you've watched my very first video, you saw how I did that. And then I made a mad rush to have to put it into a pot. And for a while, it was growing in the house. Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like now. And this is it. It is hanging all over, and it's not looking real healthy. So I'm gonna cut it off, because I know there's potatoes. I don't know how big they are, but I know that this pot has a lot of little potatoes in it, or at least I can feel them. So I'm going to cut it back. Hopefully they're healthy and not in bad shape. I just recently had a bad situation with cabbages, which I'll talk about as soon as I can get a video up regarding that. I've been having trouble with my programs and not being able to do them. So let's take a look. It's not a very good big pot. It's only about probably 12 inches by about 15 inches tall. And it's actually, it doesn't say how big this is, but here we go. Oh man, it's really tight in there. Really tight. Holy moly. Can you see that? This is from a piece of skin, people. Look at the potatoes in here. I just don't think there's any way we could have gotten any more. It's just too full. I mean, they were still growing, some of them obviously. And we'll bring out a scale to see how much we got from 2 pieces of skin, because I think that's what each one had, 2 pieces of skin. As you can see, there were still lots of little ones there, but like I said, it was running out of room and I was afraid it was going to bust the pot. Just barely moist, and this thing's been getting watered every single day. And this is just one pot of, I think, 8 of them that I have. Could you go get the scale, please? I cannot stop because I'm using my camera today, or rather my phone, because of not being able to have it lit. That's a nice size one right there. Like I said, a lot of these are tiny, these little itty bitty things but the plant was just, it was gone. But this tells me how much longer I can leave other ones in. Look at all these little tiny ones now here, you can see there is absolutely no, oh, and see, this one was even broken here, so it was not going to grow anything. It was why it was giving me such trouble. Anyway, there's a lot of little teeny ones here that I'm not even going to bother to weigh. The new scale.
Oh, the new one.
put them here just to give you a look-see of what we got out of this one pot of a piece of skin. Don't let anyone tell you you can't grow potatoes from a piece of skin. Oops, they keep falling off. And I don't know how much this little thing weighs.
Just put them in the black bucket.
I can do that.
Put it on here. Put it first.
Put it right there. Please. Tear it out. Yeah, put it on there. Okay, it's tearing at 0. I'm going to put these in there now. 3 pounds, 0.01 ounces. 3 pounds of potatoes from 2 pieces of skin, guys. You gotta say, that is a good deal. So I'm gonna call it at that. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll click like, subscribe, and join with me on this gardening worm journey. Thanks a lot. Love y'all. Bye-bye.